Manny Pacquiao will definitely slug it out with Floyd Mayweather Jr. next year. The blockbuster bout, which will happen this March, isn't only expected to rake in many fans, but also millions more in cash for both ring champions. Here's Chino Trinidad on cue.
Manny Pacquiao has agreed in principle to a monumental match with Floyd Mayweather Jr. that at this early is being billed as the fight of the millennium. A date has been set.
Okay naman sa March 13, and then inaayos pa ni Bob, pina-finalize pa lahat.
This huge fight is beyond just bragging rights as who the real pound-for-pound king is. For Manny, it seemed personal.
Yung pagkakaiba ni Floyd siguro sa ibang mga nakakalaban ko is si Floyd is marami siyang mga trash talk na hindi dapat gayahin ng mga bata.
There are concerns about the state of health of Pacquiao, especially after his grueling fight against Miguel Cotto last month. But the pound-for-pound king assures his legions of fans that he will be ready in time.
Kailangan dubling pangangalaga sa katawan ngayon dahil siyempre patindi ng patindi yung mga kalaban natin sa taas ng ring. And then of course, paedad tayo ng paedad, so kailangan pabawas yung mga mga ano na alam mo na yan.
Yung mga Chino Trinidad reporting on cue.